I wanna leave my footprints on the sands of time. Know there was something dead, and something dead I left behind. When I leave this world, I'll leave no regrets. Leave something to remember, so they won't forget I was here. I lived, I loved, I was here. I did, I've done everything that I wanted, and it was more than I thought it would be. I will leave my mark so everyone knows I was here. I wanna say I lived each day until I die. Know that I meant something in somebody's life. The hearts I have touched be the proof that I live, that I made a difference, and this world will see I was here. I lived, I loved, I was here. I did, I've done everything that I wanted, and it was more than I thought it would be. I will leave my mark so everyone knows I was here. I lived, I loved, I was here. I did, I've done everything that I wanted, and it was more than I thought it would be. I will leave my mark so everyone will know I was here. I just want them to know that I gave my all, did my best, brought someone some happiness, left this world a little better, because I was here. I was here. I lived, I loved, I was here. I did, I've done everything that I wanted, and it was more than I thought